Fortunately, they figured out a plan to sneak into the bucket. Unfortunately, the tractor dumped them out. Hot Wheels monster truck was an awesome monster truck. He could even do backflips. Woohoo! Woohoo! And front flips. He was very fortunate to have a friend named Jurassic Attack. Hey Hot Wheels, what's up, man? How you doing?
Pretty good. Watch.
Whoa! Unfortunately, Hot Wheels and Jurassic Attack were very bored. I'm bored, man. There's nothing to do around here.
Except do boring front
Yeah, that's so boring. Fortunately, there was a park nearby that they could go to.
Let's go to the park.
Yeah, the park. That sounds like a great idea.
Ride down the slides. Maybe the sand house is still there.
Come on, let's go. Hey, Hot Wheels. I bet I could jump off of this and land on my wheels.
Me too.
Let's try it. Unfortunately, Hot Wheels lost his front wheel. Oh man, you lost your front tires, Hot Wheels. Now we can't go to the park.
I'll try.
Are you gonna try to fix it? Fortunately, Hot Wheels knew how to fix his tires. There you go. Unfortunately, it didn't work very well. What are we gonna do now, Hot Wheels? Fortunately, Hot Wheels had another good monster truck friend named Scooby-Doo. Oh, hey, Hot Wheels. Oh, I'll give you my tires. That means he will give him his tires.
I thought he said, ride, rock, row, row.
Oh, that's what I read.
Ride, rock, row,
I'll
row.
give you my tires.
What?
He said he would give you his tires, Hot
Oh.
Wheels. Really? Yeah. Oh, you're the best friend, Scooby-Doo. All right, let's get those wheels off and switch them out. Look at that, you're good as new.
I can even do a front flip now.
Oh, wow, great work. You're very fortunate to have a friend like Scooby-Doo.
Thank you, Scooby-Doo.
Woo, welcome, woo. All right, Hot Wheels, are you ready? Come on, let's go to the park now.
Race you.
All right, I'll go backwards. Woo-hoo. Unfortunately, it was a really long drive to the park. Oh, hello there. Where are you monster trucks headed off to?
The park?
Yeah, we're going to the park.
It's a really long drive.
Yeah, it's a really long drive there. Oh, well, fortunately, we were just going to the park too, right, Axel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys. Isn't that fortunate? Oh, yeah, that's really fortunate. Would you guys like to go with us? Yeah, that'd be great. That's so fortunate. All right, come on, Hot Wheels, let's get in the car.
I'll ride up front with Axel.
Okay, me too. All right, you guys. Well, unfortunately, you're gonna have to buckle in on the way to the park, okay? Oh man, I hate buckling in.
Unfortunately, I have to buckle in too.
Axel was very upset about having to buckle in as well. Axel cried like a little baby. But he buckled in anyways, just for safety. Oh, well, if Axel buckles in, I guess I'll buckle in too. There you go, guys. Nice and safe. Let's go to the park. Fortunately, both monster trucks made it to the park safely. Unfortunately, the park was closed for construction. Oh man, Hot Wheels. Look at this. The park's closed.
Yeah, that stinks. I wanted to swing on the swings.
Fortunately, the slides were still open. Hey, you want to go slide down the slides?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. All right, Hot Wheels, are you ready to go down the slide?
Yeah.
Let's see who can go the farthest, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Hot Wheels won the first slide contest.
All right, let's try this slide now. Ready, set, go.
And Hot Wheels won again. All right, now let's try this one. I need to win one time at least.
Go.
And Jurassic Attack won finally. All right, Hot Wheels, you won twice, I won once. Let's see if I can tie it up, okay? Let's do one more slide. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go! And Hot Wheels and Jurassic Attack have tied. It is a perfect tie from the slide. What incredible news.
Now we...
All right, Hot Wheels, let's do one more race, okay?
Okay, if you win, we do the tie.
Ready, steady, go! And Hot Wheels is the winner again.
I'm bored.
I'm bored too. Fortunately, there was a construction truck working at the park. Oh,
Hey,
look, over there.
What's that bucket?
That noise, that's a
It's a
construction
skid
truck.
steer.
It is a skid steer. Come on, let's go check
All
it
right,
out. Let's go. Is that crazy?
Yeah, I've never heard of a skid steer with jaws.
Those jaws are so cool, you guys. Wow, that is so cool! Man, I'd like to get in that bucket. Unfortunately, they couldn't get inside the bucket. Hey, you think we could sneak inside of the bucket?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be fun. Come on, let's try it out. Let's go.
Yeah.
Fortunately, they figured out a plan to sneak into the bucket. Ah, we made it into the bucket. Ha ha ha. Unfortunately, the tractor dumped them out. But fortunately, they both landed on their wheels. Whoa, that was so cool, Hot Wheels. We both did a front flip and landed on our wheels. That was awesome.
Even want to.
Ha ha ha. Unfortunately, the tractor dumped dirt all over them. Help me, I can't get out, Hot Wheels.
I'm not really.
Help! The tractor's coming back. Hurry, dig me out. Hurry! Hurry, the tractor's coming. It's coming. Come on, let's get out of here. Fortunately, they got away from the tractor. Unfortunately, the skid steer got stuck in the dirt. Wow, check it out. That skid steer's stuck.
It would be good if it had track wheels.
Yeah, if it had track wheels, you're right, it wouldn't be stuck. That's very unfortunate.
Daddy, look.
Fortunately, the skid steer figured out a way to get unstuck. It got unstuck. That's awesome. Unfortunately, Unfortunately, the monster trucks were born again. I'm so bored already. I wish there were some smaller construction trucks that we could watch.
Hey, there's a front loader and a dump truck that's our size over there.
Where?
Follow me.
Okay, come on, let's go. Fortunately, they found a dump truck and a front loader that were just their size. Wow, look at that! They are just our size! This is awesome! I'm gonna drive over to the other side.
One more scoop. There we go. All right, Ernie, go to the other side and dump that load now.
All right, I'll do it.
Look out, traffic attack. Look out for the dump truck.
Wow, that sure is a big load. Unfortunately, Jurassic Attack got a little too close to the dump truck. A little help here. Somebody get me out, please.
What's this thing?
Oh man, I got buried by that dump
What's
truck.
this thing?
I'm a monster truck.
Oh,
Fortunately, the Brooder front loader was right there to unbury Jurassic Attack. Thanks, Brooder front loader, for unburying me.
you want to try out my road?
Sure. Yeah, let's try out the road.
You
Come
can
on.
also ramp on it.
All right, let's do a ramp. Ready? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, I had a lot of fun at the park today. Didn't you, Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
Yep. We're very fortunate to have each other as friends, right?
Yep. Let's try the ramp again.
Okay, let's go. Vroom. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
So Axel, wasn't that cool that these construction trucks are working here? Dude, so what's your favorite construction truck?
Skid steer.
Skid steer? Yep. You guys, look at those jaws. They're so cool.
I've never seen a skid steer work like that. That is so awesome. All right, you guys, we had so much fun playing with our monster trucks and doing this little skit at the park for you guys. The skit we did is based on a really fun book called Fortunately that Axel loves. I'll put a link to the book below so you guys can check it out. It's a really fun read. You guys get out and use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun and enjoy your life just like you see us doing every day if you just use your imagination. And Axel used his imagination and came up with this idea to do a really fun show for you guys based on this book. Wasn't that cool of him to do that with his imagination? We'll see you later, bye!